So with all of that in mind, let's go ahead and jump over to our sandbox and take a look at how we can set up some rules using size. So I already have my sandbox up. And I'll jump into the notepad here. And I'm going to go ahead and comment out the style information that we set up previously. And again, I'll be targeting my H1, and I'll also be targeting my paragraphs. And the first thing I want to do here is I want to show you what's going on with our H1. Okay, so I've set the background color to lime. I'll go ahead and save that, and I'll refresh. And what you'll see here is that our heading 1 is spreading all the way across the page. That's because the H1, as well as the P tags and various other tags, which we'll mention in an upcoming movie, are considered to be block level containers. So right now the width of that is specified to the size of the browser window. Now the reason that I did that is so that we could end up saying that we can control the width of our heading. So here I've set the width to 200 px, and you do have to specify what measurement system it is at the end with those 2 letters that we had seen in our slide. Also, do not put a space in between your number and your measurement. It's not going to understand what you're doing, so make sure they're together. So I'll go ahead and save that and jump back over. And when I refresh, it's limited it to a much smaller size. Also, as I mentioned, we can control the font size using our measurement systems. And in this case, I'll go ahead and do 1/2 inch. There we go. Now, based on what we know about our absolute measurement systems and them being tied to our logical inch, that ends up being about 48 pixels on this display. All right, next I want to go ahead and control the size of our paragraph. So I'll start with the font size. And I'll set that up to be 48 pixels. And I'll set the width to be 3 inches. So I'll save and refresh, and there we go. Now if you take a look, our paragraph font is about the same size as what we had set up with our H1. However, H1 is a heavier weight than what we have with our paragraphs. And that concludes our look at our absolute measurement systems.